At the heart of a tropical supply chain, the journey begins long before bananas ever reach a factory floor. It starts in vast plantations where rows of banana trees stretch endlessly under warm sunlight. Each bunch grows protected inside large, blue covers, shielding the fruit from insects, wind, and uneven ripening. Workers carefully inspect the trees, checking size, color, and maturity, because timing is everything. Harvesting too early affects sweetness, while harvesting too late shortens shelf life. When the bananas reach the perfect stage, teams move through the plantation with practiced efficiency, cutting heavy bunches by hand and lowering them gently to prevent bruising. The freshly harvested bananas are immediately transported from the fields to the factory. Speed is critical at this stage. The fruit is still alive, still breathing, and every minute counts in preserving quality. Trucks arrive at the processing facility loaded with green, firm bananas, each batch tagged to track its origin. This traceability ensures quality control from farm to final product. Inside the banana factory, the process shifts into a highly controlled environment. The first step is unloading, where bunches are lifted from transport frames and placed onto overhead conveyor systems. These conveyors move slowly, allowing workers to visually inspect each bunch. Any bananas showing damage, disease, or irregular growth are removed instantly. Quality standards are strict, because only the best fruit continues down the line. Next comes the separation stage. Large bunches are divided into smaller hands using specialized tools designed to minimize cuts and pressure. These hands then move into large washing tanks filled with clean, treated water. This wash removes dirt, sap, insects, and field residue. The water temperature and chemical balance are carefully monitored to prevent contamination while keeping the fruit fresh and intact. As bananas float gently through the wash, workers guide them toward sorting stations. Here, bananas are graded by size, curvature, and uniformity. Machines equipped with sensors assist in measuring length and thickness, but human eyes remain essential. Experienced workers can spot imperfections machines might miss. This blend of technology and human skill ensures consistent quality. After sorting, bananas destined for dessert production take a different path than those meant for fresh sale. Instead of being boxed for export, these bananas move deeper into the factory, where transformation begins. At this stage, the bananas are still green and starchy, which is ideal for controlled ripening later in the process. The bananas are transferred into ripening chambers, large sealed rooms where temperature, humidity, and gas levels are precisely controlled. Ethylene gas, a natural plant hormone, is introduced in exact amounts to trigger ripening. Over several days, the bananas slowly change from green to yellow. Starches convert into sugars, and the familiar banana aroma develops. This controlled ripening ensures uniform sweetness and texture, essential for dessert production. Once ripened to perfection, the bananas exit the chambers and move to the peeling and preparation area. Here, automated peelers and trained workers work side by side. The peels are removed cleanly, and the fruit is inspected again. Any bananas that do not meet texture or color standards are redirected for alternative uses, such as animal feed or compost, ensuring minimal waste. The peeled bananas are now ready for processing into various dessert products. Some are sliced into precise shapes using high-speed cutting machines. These slices may be used for banana chips, cake toppings, or frozen dessert bases. Other bananas are mashed into smooth puree using industrial blenders. This puree forms the foundation for banana bread, muffins, ice creams, and custards. Temperature control becomes even more critical at this stage. The banana pulp is sensitive to oxidation, which can cause browning and flavor changes. To prevent this, the processing area maintains low oxygen exposure, and natural stabilizers like lemon extract or vitamin C may be added in precise amounts. These steps preserve color and taste without altering the natural banana flavor. For banana-based desserts such as cakes and pastries, the puree is mixed with other ingredients in large stainless steel mixers. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and natural flavor enhancers are added according to carefully tested recipes. Each batch is mixed to exact specifications, ensuring consistency across thousands of units. Automated systems monitor mixing speed, time, and temperature, while technicians oversee the process. Once the batter or mixture is ready, it moves to shaping and baking lines. For cakes, the batter is portioned into molds using automated dispensers that ensure every piece is identical in size and weight. These molds then travel through industrial ovens, where heat is evenly distributed to bake the products to perfection. Baking times are calculated down to the second to achieve the ideal balance of moisture and structure. For frozen banana desserts, the process takes a colder turn. Banana puree is blended with cream or plant-based alternatives and churned in freezing machines. This creates smooth, creamy textures without large ice crystals. The frozen desserts are then molded into bars, cups, or layered desserts, depending on the final product design. Throughout the factory, quality control is constant. Samples are taken from every batch and tested for taste, texture, sweetness, and safety. Laboratories within the facility analyze microbial levels and ingredient balance. If even a small deviation is detected, production can be paused immediately. This commitment to quality ensures that every dessert leaving the factory meets international food safety standards. Packaging is the final major stage. Finished desserts are cooled, wrapped, and sealed using automated packaging machines. Packaging materials are selected to preserve freshness while minimizing environmental impact. Labels are applied with detailed information, including ingredients, nutritional values, and expiration dates. Each package is scanned to ensure accuracy before being boxed for distribution. The boxed products move into climate-controlled storage areas, waiting for shipment. Logistics teams coordinate delivery schedules, ensuring that products reach supermarkets, bakeries, and distributors at peak freshness. From here, banana desserts travel across cities and countries, ready to be enjoyed by consumers who may never see the complex process behind them. What makes a modern banana factory remarkable is not just its scale, but its efficiency and sustainability. Banana peels and unused fruit are repurposed into biogas, compost, or animal feed. Water used in washing is filtered and recycled. Energy-efficient machines reduce power consumption, and workers are trained in safety and hygiene at every level. Behind every banana dessert lies a carefully orchestrated system of agriculture, science, and engineering. From the quiet banana fields to the humming factory floor, each step is designed to preserve flavor, reduce waste, and deliver consistent quality. The transformation from a simple fruit into a delicious dessert is not accidental. It is the result of precision, experience, and innovation working together. By the time a banana dessert reaches a plate, it has passed through countless hands, machines, and quality checks. Every slice, every bite carries the story of this journey. A journey that begins in tropical soil and ends as a carefully crafted product, made to be enjoyed anywhere in the world. This is how fresh bananas move through a modern factory, evolving step by step into the deserts people love, all through a process built on control, care, and commitment to quality.